Hello, my planty family. Hopefully, everything is well with you. My nickname is Nina, and if you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you. Today, I am finally doing a project that I've been wanting to do for quite a while. I bought the high bed, the planter bed. We'll see what it is. And I bought that in Costco like 3 weeks ago. Then I've been getting the soil. I got the soil in Walmart. I got 6 bags of soil. I also got earthworm castings, and I'm gonna go down to my compost pile and see if there's any compost there, so I can make a layer, like a lasagna layer. But I'm gonna mix it up, get some mixing there. And then we're going to plant the herbs that I got at Walmart. I have been wanting to go back to Home Depot, and unfortunately, I have not been able to. So I'm going to make some space for some herbs that I saw in Home Depot the last time that I did the tour. That I think was the last video. So we're going to go ahead with that. Let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, the bags are heavy. I have been, I had a small accident recently and at work, and I'm going to try to take it easy with my shoulder, relax, do what I can. And if not, my husband's going to help me with that. So if you like the video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. Activate the bell, share the video so others can learn. And also, I have the Spanish speaking channel, which is Nina Suculentas y Más, which is my primary channel. And it has been very windy. Tis the windy season. We had a warning of gusts up to 50-mile-an-hour winds. So I don't think it's no longer a breeze, but more like gusts and wind. So I said, let me do this afterwards when it calms down a little bit. But we still have a little bit of wind out there. These plants are out on the balcony, on my back balcony, northeast facing window. They have been receiving sun from the morning, direct sun in the morning, and a lot of illumination during the day. They haven't been getting a lot of rainwater, which is good, which I prefer. But if I see that it needs more water, then I'm just going to be pouring water in the spout. It's a self-watering bed, so we'll see. I'll let you see it. I did get the bed in the planter in Costco. Originally, when I had gone there like last month, it was $119, and I couldn't get it at the moment at the time because I had other priorities. And I said, oh, I took a picture of it, and I said, oh, I'm gonna come back and get it. When I got back, it was 149, and I said, well, now is when I can get it. So, and it's we're not at spring yet, but I wanted to get the plants already set up prior to spring. So I'm a little late, but they were already full grown, most of them. And I wanted to get them in because I like cooking with them, and I like having them accessible. So when I need it, I just go out to the balcony and get it. Otherwise, I'd have to go downstairs and go fetch it. And by the time I get up, it's like, this is too much. So we're going to go down and get the compost, if there is any compost. I had a compost plastic container that I bought in Home Depot several years ago. Then in Hurricane Maria, the top flew. It was packed down, but apparently it was just so strong that it flew away, and I never found it again. So I just put a wood top temporarily, and it's been like that. So I don't know if I have any decent compost. I haven't been down there in a while, so we're just going to see what we have available. I'm going to get a little container, get some compost. I did get some earthworm castings that my daughter said, yeah, they love that stuff. I said, okay, I'm going to give it a try. I also got some fertilizer for vegetables and herbs and so forth. And the soil that I did get, I got at Walmart, which is Terra Mix. I believe it's a Puerto Rican brand of soil. and I'm gonna give it a try. It's made specially for flower beds and stuff like that, but it is for vegetables and herbs and so forth. So I think I got the right soil. I am not an expert in this. I am giving it a try. And if not, if the herbs just don't give way, then I'm just gonna plant what I know what I can handle and what I know that would do good there. So let's go down and get the compost, and then we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you all the names and so forth, so you have an idea. And yeah, I'm so glad that I'm finally gonna do this. I really like having the herbs accessible. So let's get going with the video. Hmm? What are we gonna do with you? Gucci! Ay, qué linda. Uh-huh. Well, there goes my cushions. Just saw these on my way to get the compost. Look how beautiful. Nice hibiscus. And it looks like there's several. So they're going to be out soon. Love the hibiscus because they're just so beautiful. They don't last very long, but if you have constant flowering, it's very, very nice. I want to show you what a beautiful sight this is. I came downstairs and look at these orchids. These are dendronium white orchids. And it just, they love it out here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These little small details is what I love. Oh, and I have another one coming out here. Okay, here's the compost container that I bought in Home Depot. It is surrounded by plastic. It's a plastic box. And like I said, the top flew off with Hurricane Maria, and I just put a wood panel on the top meanwhile, and I haven't been able to change it into a plastic, which is more recommendable. But we'll see if I can find any compost in here and see what we can find. Well, I didn't find the kind of compost that I was expecting. Um, I'll just use a little bit and see what can be used. It's a little rocky. It does have a lot of pieces that were not decomposed, but I imagine the nitrogen is there with other minerals. We'll just see what we can do with that. Okay, this is the mix that I bought. It's a Terra Mix High Yield Garden Mix All Purpose Outdoor Soil with cocoa fiber um, and all these good benefits. So it does say it's ideal for flower beds, vegetable gardens, raised beds, and in-ground use. So we'll give it a try and see how it goes. Okay, what we do have is the earthworm castings from Terra Mix, 100% organic. Oh, it's picking up. So it's got a lot of herbs here. So we'll give it a try. And I'll probably put the whole container of 5 pounds inside the flower bed. And I also got this one. I'm not really sure, but it said plant food, fertilizer with slow release, and it's evergreen. And I did see some vegetables here, so hopefully with the herbs it'll be the same. So we'll put some of that in there also. This is land orchid. Let me see if I can put the name there for you. Look how beautiful. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. I do it with much love for each one of you. I'm super, super happy that I finally got this project done. Now it's up to the rain, water, wind, and hopefully everything will grow and be accessible for me. I know that cilantro, which is, I had a very weird fact about that. 20% of the population do not like cilantro because it tastes like dirt. That's what they say. I love cilantro. I love it in Mexican food. I like it in Puerto Rican food. But it's just each individual one, right? I wanted to get parsley also. I like parsley and I like cilantro. I didn't find the plant. I do want to eventually plant some carrots, but I want the multicolor carrots. And I was wondering if I can plant it there, but we'll see. We'll see. I also want to get, I didn't find parsley, and I want to get strawberries. I don't know if strawberries will be a little bit off, but we'll see. May God bless you. And from Puerto Rico, I'm sending you my blessings to you, your family, your pets, and your plants. Have a wonderful day, and see you for the next one. Bye.